King as a one-man show government, that he's the one who decides where, what to be done, where, and each and every department he's hands-on. That even you cannot ask a chief officer, roads, to give you a grader, you have to report to Wamatangi's office. We are saying this is not the way KIAMBU should work.
One, we've had an illegality of having chief officers operating without being vetted by this county assembly. Sure. And actually we are challenging the office of the Auditor General to audit this issue. And if need be, people must be surcharged for getting monies illegally, because this house is mandated to vet the chief officers before they are appointed. We also have the small matter of the chief of the CECM roads. As we all know, this house vetted waziris, and 3 of them have resigned. And at an acting capacity, the CEC roads was never vetted by this house. And again, we are inviting the relevant, and we've written to the relevant bodies or arms of government to investigate this matter. And again, if need be, this is an illegality and people must be surcharged.
Na tukera kaunti-ini ya Kiambu turikia nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya